Are you finding it difficult to collaborate seamlessly with clients, co-console, and external partners? Is your current extranet making secure, efficient collaboration more difficult than it should be? AmLaw 200 firms often face tough choices, investing heavily in custom-built extranets with ongoing maintenance costs, adopting rigid, fenced-in solutions that restrict data flow and customization, or patching together multiple tools that create inefficiencies. These options often lead to hidden costs, compliance risks, and wasted time, all while forcing firms to work with systems that don't communicate, making collaboration harder than it should be. Infodash is the modern, ready-to-launch extranet designed for large law firms. It delivers enterprise-grade security, unlimited sites, and no storage caps, all with flexible pricing and rapid deployment. Most extranets weren't built for law firms. Infodash is ensuring seamless client collaboration, deep integration with legal systems, and compliance-driven governance. Infodash seamlessly integrates with Microsoft 365, PMS, DMS, CRM, HRIS, and more, creating a unified, efficient workflow. Need quick access to firm information? Infodash's AI-powered dashbots provide real-time insights, automate routine tasks, and guide your team through workflows without IT support. Infodash Smart Search uses advanced AI to deliver real-time, relevant search results across all your connected systems, ensuring you find exactly what you need when you need it. With Infodash Oversight, you gain complete lifecycle governance of SharePoint and team sites, offering pre-built compliance controls and automated policy management, all without the need for custom development or heavy IT resources. Your clients expect a seamless, responsive experience. The firms delivering it today will be the industry leaders of tomorrow. Firms that choose a purpose-built solution like Infodash can move faster, reduce operational costs, and improve client satisfaction, all while maintaining flexibility and scalability unmatched by outdated solutions. Leading firms are already transforming client collaboration. Will yours keep up? Schedule a demo with Infodash today.